So I was just given permission to sit in the driver's seat of this thing. Wow. First time in the driver's seat of a Lamborghini. Not my first time in a Lamborghini. First time was back in October. You saw it when I was in the passenger seat of a Huracan LP610-4 going for 3 laps on track. These paddle shifters. So this is how you put it in gear. You put your foot on the brake, pull the right paddle to put it in drive. You pull this up for reverse. You push this for park. And for neutral, you pull both paddles. And here we have the electric park and brake with auto hold. Parking guidance. This is the drive selector. It doesn't have all the drive modes that the model in the video showed. It has 4 out of 6. Also has the Ego mode. Everything just feels nice to the touch though. Like, can't turn it on because there's no key. Sounds exactly the same as an Audi. Over here we have the headlight controls. I'm not sure how to work those, but... oh. Lights off. Front and rear fog lights. The attention to detail in this car just blows my mind. Really nice, and carbon fiber everywhere.